Hey folks, 828 Fine Adventure. I've got a new little mod here that I got off Etsy for people that are complaining about those little spring-loaded things that stick out of your drink holder and smash in your styrofoam cups. Like if you go to Cookout, they give you a giant cup, or wherever you go. So I got something here. They're 3D printed, and let me show you how these work, and show you some little modifications that I'm going to do to them. They were a really good price for a pair, and like I said, they're just 3D printed plastic, but let's check them out. Okay, so what I got here are these little things here, and they're 3D printed. You can see it's got that texture to it, and that, you know, it's kind of I don't know, kind of glossy. Anyways, so I bought a pair of these on Etsy. Now, they didn't send me a left and right. They sent me two rights, so two passenger side drink holder pieces. That's okay. I'm not sure if they only make this one or what, but they will only fit one way. You can see, because this side has a corner on it, the bottom doesn't. So they only fit one way, but that's okay because we have the Tacoma, and I'll stick this in the Tacoma, so then you have an option. So basically, what these do is they fit down in the drink holder, and they press those little spring-loaded things that stick out. So let's look at that. Let me show you how this works. Okay, now there's your drink holder. Here's the spring-loaded thing. Sorry, this is such a mess down here. I need to clean it out really good. So anyways, the way these work is they just, you can see right here, you see it's not going to go in unless I press it in. Then once you have it pressed in, it pushes those things in. Now you're wondering, so what fits in this? Well, any water bottles, Coke cans, any of that stuff will fit. You can get regular drink cups, and that'll fit. They don't move around too much. And if you have a big styrofoam cup, such as this one that I got, it fits fine. It doesn't see it. Let me show you this. See how that's denting in that cup? And it's really hard. And if you did it enough times, I mean, I don't know, maybe it would crack the cup and drain out into your drink holder. Boy, what a mess that would be. But anyways, so it just goes in there like that and kind of stays pretty still. So let me show you that again. There you go. We got the cup. We got this little piece right here, and that's it. All it does, it fits one way. This little corner here. You can see how that's shaped, and you can see how that is shaped. You just press it down, and that's it. Now, the only complaint that I have about this, now it was a good price, so, you know, and I got a pair of them, and I'll use the other one. Now, you know, I'll use the other one in the Tacoma because it will not fit on this. It doesn't seat right. See, because of that corner, it doesn't sit. There's no way to make it work. So anyhow, so what I'm going to do is, this is kind of one thing about these is they have these sharp edges. I mean, it's sharp around here, and it's actually, you feel that, hear that? It's pretty sharp around the edges there from being 3D printed. I'm gonna file all that really smooth and just make it just slightly, and just so it doesn't grind into the side of the cup. Let me show you what I mean by that. You can see those little bitty lines. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on. You see those little bitty lines right there? That's where it grinds into the cup. So I'm just going to file it down a little bit and fix that. I don't mind doing that. You know, I don't have a 3D printer. Somebody did a good job there doing this one. Let me show you again how I do that. There it goes. Presses right down, and you know, and holds my drink. And you know, some people might not mind, you know, if all you have is a Coke can or something, or a Red Bull or something like that. It's not gonna bother you too much. But that's what I got. You know, again, I could customize this so it fit. you know, I could cut that corner off or file it down a little more, and I could make it fit, but I'm just going to put it in the Tacoma. And again, these nice little 3D printed things for the drink holder make it adapt, you know, the large cups without any problems or worrying about it busting your cup and draining out in your drink holder. I hope you like this. There are some really neat things on Etsy for the 25, 26 4Runner and the 24, 25, 26 Tacoma. So check out Etsy, you know, they have neat stuff. I got a sun visor there that says Yoda on it. And, you know, and it's one of the nice ones that folds up really small. And, you know, just check it out. They got all kinds of stuff for our trucks. So anyways, I wanted to share this with you because I was looking for some sort of solution and Etsy had it. All right, guys, I hope you like my little solution there to the drink holders. Like I said, these are a little sharp. I'm going to file it down a little bit before I put this one in the Tacoma. I'm going to file down the one I've got in here. I've been using it all week. Works great, you know, and these are just little plastic pieces that are, you know, 3D printed that I got off Etsy. Now, you could probably, you know, I'm not sure, but maybe you could make something like this with a piece of PVC pipe. You know, it looks like it'd be about a 3-inch, and just cut it down and Dremel out some pieces, and maybe putting something like that in there would press those in. I don't have any 3-inch PVC laying around, and that stuff's expensive. I don't want to go spend a bunch of money on that. And if I see some laying around, you know, in somebody's dumpster or something, I'll grab it, and maybe I'll fabricate something later and see if it works the same. But anyways, listen, thanks for watching. Check out Etsy for a lot of stuff like this, and I got more videos coming, so stay tuned. I'll see ya. See ya.